Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel /su.in. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install package inside your Linux machine by configuring yum server on your Linux machine, Red Hat Linux machine. Okay, now as we know that for configuring yum server we need the ISO file of Red Hat machine. So I have already downloaded that ISO file inside my Windows. So that ISO file is already inside my Windows machine. Now how to transfer data from Windows to Linux? You can do that transfer with the help of a software named Everything. So you can download a software named Everything. So you just Google Everything. This is a free software. Okay, so you just download this software. So this is a free software, download installer 64-bit. You can download it and install it. I have already downloaded and installed. When you download and install, it will look something like this. So you can see this symbol Everything. This is the software, Everything software. It will see something like this. You have to just click here, go to tools, go to options, then go to HTTP server and enable the HTTP server. Okay, and also go to exclude and see if you have excluded any drive. So if you want to exclude any drive, you can exclude, you can add here, but I don't want to exclude any drive. I want to include everything, so this must be clean here. Okay, no folder will be excluded here, and then click on OK. Okay, so now everything selected. Now you can minimize it. You have to also check the IP address of your Windows machine, but before that you have to disable the firewall. Okay, so just run Windows plus R key and then type firewall.cpl inside the run. Enter here, then go to Windows Defender on off, turn off your firewall just for a few minutes for data transfer. Now check your Windows IP address. Just type cmd, go to the command prompt, type ipconfig. As you can see, this is my IP address 192.168.29.227. This is my IP address. So what I am going to do, I am going to type that IP address inside my Linux machine. For that I need elinks. What is elinks? Elinks is the command line browser. So I am going to type elinks and the IP address of my Windows machine 192.168.29.227 and press enter. You can see this Everything software. Now you can download your ISO file where you have downloaded that ISO file. I have kept my ISO file inside my G drive. So I am going to my G drive. Inside the ISO folder I have kept that file. You go to your location, okay, your file location. So this is my file. I have to download rhel5 ISO file. Just press enter. Go to save with the help of tab key, then press enter. Go to tab, go to OK, press enter. So it's downloading the file. So we have to wait until the file get downloaded. Okay, so when the file will be downloaded completely, it will be automatically closed, and after that we can quit from here. I will show you how to quit from the Everything software here. And here it has been downloaded. Now you can quit from here. How to quit? Just press Q and then press enter. Done. Now check for the file downloaded or not. So you can see ls-lh rhel5 ISO file. That file has been downloaded successfully. This is the file 2.8 GB file. We need this file. Now why need this file? Because there is a server folder inside that file. Now I'm going to extract this ISO file. How to extract? Just use mount-o loop and then rhel and use the tab key. It will display the rhel5 ISO file, name of the file, and then /mnt. When you press enter, what this command will do? This command will extract all the content of ISO file inside mnt directory. Now you can go inside mnt directory using cd/mnt and check the files and folders using ls command. So you can see there are so many files and folders. Out of these so many files and folders, you can see the right hand side bottom. So the third option from the bottom, you can see server folder. Actually we don't need all these files and folders, we just need this server folder. Okay, so I am going to copy the server folder to our root directory. How to copy the server folder? Just see cp-rb and the name of the folder I want to copy, server folder, and I want to copy this folder to the root directory. So I will type /root. Okay, so this command is used to copy the server folder to root directory. Press enter and done. Okay, now the file has been copied to the root directory. Now come out of this empty folder using cd command, clear this screen using clear command, ls to check the folder. You can see server folder is here. That's all. Okay, now go to the server folder and check the path of this server folder, cd server, and then check the path pwd. What is the path for the server folder? /root/server. Remember this path. Now I need to create a file, vim etc yum.repos.d a.repo etc yum.repos.d a.repo. Inside this you have to write this line a, because the name of the file is a.repo. So in the bracket I have typed a, and then base URL is equal to file : / and what is the // now what is the path for the server folder? /root/server. So you have to give the path, and then gpg check is equal to 0. That's all. Okay, you have to write just 3 lines and done. Now this machine is ready with yum server. Okay, now you can install any package offline without, you don't need internet or any repository, other repository. Offline repository is available. You can download and install any packages. You can uninstall any software. For example, suppose you want to install MySQL, so yum install MySQL. So this command will install MySQL package inside your system. Y for yes, and MySQL has been installed. If you want to uninstall MySQL, you can simply uninstall by yum remove MySQL. So in this way you can uninstall or install any software inside your RedHat Linux machine by configuring yum server. Okay, so let me run you the history command, and you can see the command which I have done. I have used to configure the yum server. I have started from line number 5. Line number 5 is to download the file, ISO file. Line number 7, I have extracted the ISO file inside empty directory. Line number 8, I just went to empty directory. Line number 10, I copy the server folder from empty directory to the root. Line number 16, I have created a repo file a.repo inside etc yum.repos.d directory. Then I have write those 3 lines. After that, my yum server is ready, and using line number 20, you can install any package. Using line number 22, you can uninstall any package. Suppose you want to install Java, then yum install Java. If you want to remove Java, yum remove Java. If you want to install Python, yum install Python. If you want to remove Python, yum remove Python. That's all. Very simple. I hope you understand, but if still you have any doubts, you can ask me through the comment section. Thank you for watching.